Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm in the kitchen today again, guys, and today I'll be painting my kitchen floor. Yes guys, I said it, I'm gonna paint my kitchen floor, but I'm just gonna give you a little sneak peep of the color that I'm using. And this idea just came to me. I have this tin of paint, and I was saying that I don't want to put it on the wall. I was gonna buy another color to go with it to change the color, but my kitchen floor needs tiling, and I don't have the money to tile it right now. So the best option is to paint it. So let me show you the colors I'm using, guys. But I'm gonna go and pick up the kids from school because school is over and early today. Pick them up from school, and when we come back, we're gonna do some painting. So let me show you right now, guys. So this is the color that I'm working with, and it has the color of the floor anyway. So yeah, this is the color. What's the name of it? The name of it is, what is it? Spirit. What is it? Yeah, Spirit. Yes, guys. So I'm using it. This is what I did. I was testing it on the floor to see. It's pretty. It's like the floor is going to be dyed. So this is just like first coat. So I'm going to leave this to dry when I come back from picking up the kids. All depends on how it looks. Well, it's looking good so far. And I was using a toothbrush because Junior have the paintbrush and the roller in the car. In his car. So I don't know. I don't know if there's any brush underneath the house. I'm going to check. Yeah. So when we come back, we're going to get this painted, guys. And I want to paint the wall and fill out all these holes and stuff, because right here was a door. It was a door, guys, and I wanted a window here, so Junior block it up, but it didn't get to render anything like that. I just wanted, because it didn't render and I didn't like the raw wall, I just put some primer on it, so yeah, it can still render, but I'm not sure I wanted to render. Probably just throw it on this area right here. But however, we're not dealing with this right now. We're dealing with the floor. So let us get back to this, guys. Okay, guys. So as you can see, I'm in the washroom. I took the things out of the washroom and the kitchen. I'm gonna start with the washroom first, guys. I'm trying to work a miracle. I'm using a a toothbrush because, like I said, Junior have all the paintbrushes, and he's not coming up early, so I'm gonna use this.
I begin to
first coat of the washroom. Yep, looking lovely. I like it, really nice. So I'm gonna do the kitchen now, guys. I still have about half an hour, so I think I can finish the kitchen. Okay guys, so I finished the first coat of the kitchen and this is what it's looking like. It's really nice. Yeah. Mommy. So now I'm gonna go pick up my daughter from school, and probably when I get back, if it's dry, I'll do the second coat. If not, it's tomorrow. Okay guys, so it is now a few weeks later while I'm doing this voice over. Yep, so right here, this box, guys, is where we put our shoes in. Yeah, and wow, I am loving the washroom. It turns out really lovely, guys. What do you think? Comment down below. And the wall color, guys, I did paint the wall. I said I wasn't going to paint the wall, you guys, but I was tempted and I did. Right over here, the shelf, guys, they'll be painted in white. So like I said, it is not finished as yet. We have not completed the job. All the shelves in the washroom will be painted in white. Yep, it is looking so lovely, guys. I am loving it. The floor turned out really, really nice. And over where I am pointing, guys, is where we have our solar system set up. Yes, so we're going solar, guys. JPS is too horrible. But we still use the JPS, guys, but right now we're going solar the best way. Yeah, so we have panels and stuff on the roof, and there's a solar system set up over there with some batteries and stuff. So I'm loving the turnout of the washroom, guys, and I'm loving the turnout of the kitchen also. And like I said, I did painted the walls with the same color, and I think it looks really, really lovely, guys. Really lovely. And I can't wait to paint the shelves in fully white so everything can be, you know, really nice and stuff. Yes, guys, so continue to enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up, and please like, comment, share the video if you can, and hit that post notification bell and subscribe to our channel. So now we're going into the kitchen, guys, and I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna let you watch the video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.